1 pan lemon garlic chicken. I know another chicken recipe, but hear me out. Most lemon chicken recipes have you marinating for hours using multiple pans, making a whole production out of it. Not today. This one is genuinely simple, comes together in 1 pan, and it takes about 30 minutes. So let's get into it. Start by slicing up your chicken, I'm using 3, and add your seasoning. Everything is in the description, so don't worry about that. Then go ahead and add a tablespoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of flour. Now go in with a tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything really well. And trust me on the zest, don't skip it, it is not optional. Next, slice up 7 garlic cloves. Yes, 7. I said what I said. But don't worry, it will not be overpowering. It actually mellows a lot when it cooks. And it's lemon garlic chicken, so it must have a lot of garlic. Heat some olive oil with a bit of vegetable oil over high heat. Then add in your chicken. Spread it out and let it cook. This is smelling really good from the zest, the lemon, the garlic, everything. It is just so good. I know some people keep the chicken breast whole and it looks good, but cutting it makes a big difference. The sauce actually gets into every single piece. So I always prefer slicing my chicken. Once the chicken starts cooking, make a little space and add in your garlic. You don't want it to brown, just keep stirring until it is fragrant. And if you can smell it, you're doing it right. That's when the garlic turns slightly sweet and not sharp anymore. Once it is fragrant, mix it in with the chicken and let everything cook together for a few minutes, about 5 to 10 minutes. I used to have this recipe when I was younger, however I totally forgot about it, and the other day I just had it and it was so good I had to make it for you. Slowly pour in the juice of 2 lemons while stirring, and it will start to smell fresh right away. Then add 1 cup of water, about 300 milliliters. It might look a little thin now, but it will come together. Let it come to a gentle boil, then cover the pan and let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the sauce thickens. This is where everything comes together. We already added cornstarch and flour, so the sauce will thicken nicely without any extra work. Give it a taste test. It should be tangy, garlicky, and honestly dangerously good. If you are enjoying this recipe, give this video a like so I know to make more like this one. You can serve this with white rice like I am, but honestly it's really good with mashed potatoes or sauteed vegetables, or honestly, just eat it straight from the pan. I will not judge. I love making this on busy days when I want something quick but still really flavorful. And that is it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new recipe, and let me know what you would serve this with. Rice, potatoes, or something totally different. I'm actually curious. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!